Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited to share with you because we are unboxing something colorful, creative and totally magical. The Toytoise 145 piece art set for kids in a cute unicorn theme case. Whether your child is a budding artist or just a doodle, this kit might be the perfect gift. So let's jump right in. First up, just look at the adorable unicorn theme case. It's vibrant clothing and definitely something any kids would love to carry around proudly, and it has a sturdy handle, perfect for travel and school. Wow, it's open up the to travel. So many colors neatly organized inside. We have 36 color pencils and 24 oil pastel, 24 color cake and sketch pen 12 crayons, 1 paint palette and HB pencil, eraser, sharpener and it is like a mini artist studio packed into one magical box. Let's talk about quality. The color pencil are smooth and they blend decently for kids use. Great for sketching or shading. The oil pastel are vibrant and creamy, ideal for creative bold drawings. The watercolor gives good coverage with minimal water, perfect for younger kids to use without maze. The crayons are basic but do the job for everyday coloring. Sketch pens are bright and don't dry out too quickly. Plus, they are easy to hold and with small hands. Love that it include basic stationery tools too. As you can see, I tried making this quickly little rainbow scene using the pencil and paint, and the colors really pop. Everything fits back snugly into the case, which is a huge plus. No messy cleanups. So finally, I thought the Toytoise 145 piece unicorn art set is not just super cute but also incredible functional, whether it's for gifting or a school project or just weekend fun. This kit encourages kids to create without screen. I would totally recommend it for age 4 to and up, and honestly, even I had fun playing with it. Let me know in the comment what you would love to create with this kit, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more creative review. Until next time, keep coloring your world with joy. And guys, if you want to purchase this product, then the link is in description box. So guys, thank you for watching my video. I genuinely appreciate each and every one of you who taking the time to tune in. Your support means the world to me, and it drive me to create even more valuable and entertain video. Every like, comment, share fuel my patience and motivate me to keep pushing the boundaries of creativity. It's not just about the numbers, it's about building a community where we can learn, grow and inspire each other. I love hearing your feedback and ideas, so keep them coming. Remember, every time you watch, you are not just a viewer, you are part of this journey. Together we can explore new topic, tackle challenges and celebrate achievement. Your engagement help shape the direction of this channel. The and I am excited to see where we go next. If you are found value in this video, don't forget to hit that like button